Princess Zubaida and the Magic Well. Once upon a time, in the golden city of Baghdad, there lived a kind and wise princess named Zubaida. She was known not only for her beauty, but for her compassion for the poor. Every day, she would ride her white horse through the city, giving food, water, and medicine to the people. One summer, the land faced a terrible drought. Rivers dried up, and the people had no water. The royal well also ran dry, and the king's advisor said, "There is no hope, Your Majesty." But Princess Zubaida didn't give up. That night, she prayed with all her heart. Suddenly, in her dream, an old woman appeared and said, "Zubaida, dig beneath the olive tree in the valley. There lies a hidden spring." The next morning, Zubaida went to the valley with workers and ordered them to dig beneath the olive tree. Everyone laughed and said, "There is nothing here but dust." But Zubaida remained calm and hopeful. After digging for hours, splash! Water burst out from the ground like a fountain of silver. The people shouted with joy. Zubaida built a beautiful well there and made sure it stayed open for everyone, rich or poor. That magical spring saved the kingdom. Till this day, that well is known as Zubaida's gift, and her story is remembered with love. Moral of the story: kindness, hope, and faith can turn the impossible into reality.